It's Miracle's Playground! Wow, let's play! Hi guys, today we're going to do math and I'm about to go in 2nd grade and I'm going to tell you 1st graders what I did in 1st grade. Math! Let's do it. So we're going to be using these flashcards and y'all are going to be guessing the answers. Okay guys, what's 8 minus 1? That's right, it's 7. Okay guys, what is 8 minus 5? That's right, it's 3. Let's see this one. What is 11 minus 6? That's right, it's 5. 9 minus 0. That's right, it's 9. Okay guys, what is 8 minus 2? That's right, it's 6.
Yay!
Yay! Okay guys, what is 3 minus 3? That's right, it's 0. Okay guys, what is 9 minus 6? That's right, it's 3. Okay guys, what is 11 minus 5? That's right, it's 6.
Good job!
Okay guys, what is 4 minus 4? That's right, it's 0. Okay guys, what is 8 minus 0? That's right, it's 8. Okay guys, what is 11 minus 0? That's right, it's 11.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Okay guys, what is 11 minus 2? That's correct. It is 9.
Yay!
Yay!
You got it. You got it.
Okay guys, what is 4 minus 2? That's correct. It's 2.
Woohoo! Yeah, 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 yeah.
Y'all are good 1st graders.
Good job.
Okay guys, what is 10 minus 8? That's right, it is 2. Hooray!
Hooray!
Okay guys, what is 3 minus 0? That's right, it's 3. Okay guys, what is 10 minus 5? That's right, it's 5.
Good job!
What is 11 minus 3? That's right, it's 8.
Woo, woo, woo! Yeah!
You guys are so smart. I'll give you 10 stars for your reward. Okay guys, what is 11 minus 9? That's right, it's 2.
Yeah!
Y'all are the smartest 1st graders in the world.
Woo!
Okay guys, what is 6 minus 2? That's correct, it's 4. Hooray! What is 10 minus 1? That's correct, it's 9. Y'all are the most smartest. Okay guys, what is 11 minus 7? That's correct, it's 4. Y'all are super smart. What is 4 minus 3? That's correct, it's 1. Okay guys, what is 3 minus 1? That's correct, it's 2. Okay, guys, what is 2 minus 0? That's right, it's 2! Yay! Okay, guys, what is 8 minus 6? That's correct, it's 2! You're super duper smart! I'm so proud of y'all! Okay, guys, what is 0 minus 0? This is the most easiest answer ever. It's 0! Yippee! It's super easy, too. And I'm so proud of y'all. What is 5 minus 4? That's correct! It's 1! Y'all are so smart! Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 3? That's correct! It's 4! Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 2? That's correct! It's 7! Y'all are so smart! Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 7? That's correct! It's 2! Ah! You're so smart! Okay, guys, what is 8 minus 8? That's correct! It's 0! You're catching me crazy! You're making me triggered! I'm so happy! Okay, guys, what is 11 minus 0? That's correct! It's 11! Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 5? That's correct! It's 2! Ah! Okay, guys, what is 1 minus 1? That's correct! It's 0! Oh my! Oh, gee, y'all are so smart! Did y'all eat Smarties or something? That's just a joke. Let's start. Okay, guys, what is 6 minus 3? That's correct! It's 3! Oh, gee, y'all are catching me afire. Y'all are so smart! You're making me triggered happy! Yeah! What is 5 minus 0? That's correct! It's 5! Okay, guys, what is 6 minus 6? That's correct! It's 0! Yeah! Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 5? That's correct! It's 4! Yeah! Y'all are such good math people. What is 7 minus 7? That's correct! It's 0! Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 1? That's correct! It is 8! Okay, guys, what is 8 minus 7? That's right! It's 1! You're so smart! What is 6 minus 0? 6! What is 9 minus 9? That's correct! It's 0! Okay, guys, what is 1 minus 0? 1! You are so smart! What is 10 minus 0? That's correct! It's 10! Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 1? Correct! It is 6! Okay, guys, what is 6 minus 4? That's correct! It's 2! Yay! Okay, guys, what is 4 minus 1? That's correct. It's 3. Okay, guys, what is 8 minus 3? That's correct. It's 5. Okay, guys, what is 2 minus 1? That's correct. It's 1. Okay, guys, what is 4 minus 0? That's correct. It's 4. Okay, guys, what is 5 minus 2? That's correct. It's 3. Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 3? That's correct. It's 6. Okay, guys, what is 11 minus 2? That's correct. It's 9. Okay, guys, what is 10 minus 4? That's correct. It's 6. Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 4? That's correct. It's 3. Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 2? That's correct. It's 5. Okay, guys, what is 3 minus 2? That's correct. It's 1. Okay, guys, what is 11 minus 8? That's correct. It's 3. Yeah! Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 8? That's correct. It's 1. We have a couple more cards. Okay, guys, what is 9 minus 4? That's correct. It's 5. Okay, guys, what is 5 minus 5? That's correct. It's 0. Okay, guys, what is 10 minus 6? That's correct. It's 4. Okay, guys, what is 5 minus 3? That's right, guys. It is 2. Okay, guys, what is 10 minus 7? That's correct. It's 3. Okay, guys, what is 5 minus 1? That's correct. It's 4. Okay, guys, what is 6 minus 1? That's correct. It's 5. Okay, guys, what is 10 minus 2? That's correct, guys. It's 8. We got one more card and we're done. Okay, guys, what is 2 minus 2? That's correct. It's 0. Okay, guys, what is 7 minus 0? That's correct. It's 7. Hooray! We're done. Way to go, guys. Great learning math with me. You're amazing. You get a shiny quarter with 2,000 math cards. I'm going to give you 2,000 golden mines. I'm acting silly. Okay, guys, give me a big thumbs up and give me 5,000 likes. I mean 10,000 likes. Bye!